The confession of Winnipeg serial killer Jeremy Skibicki is now public. A recorded interview has revealed the moment he confessed to 4 murders while he was being questioned in the death of 1 woman. All 4 of them Indigenous women. One of the women is still unidentified. Skibicki's lawyers are not denying the killings, but they're arguing he's not criminally responsible due to a mental disorder. Cameron McIntosh has more on the case and the disturbing details uncovered in court so far.
Family and friends of 4 murdered Indigenous women bracing themselves for difficult details. The first day of trial. Jeremy Skibicki is charged with 4 counts of first-degree murder in the killings of Rebecca Contois, Mercedes Myron, Morgan Harris, and an unidentified woman given the name Mushkode Bishike Ikwe Iban, or Buffalo Woman, who police say wore this jacket. Skibicki's lawyers say he admits to killing the women, but are arguing he's not criminally responsible due to a mental disorder.
Just wait for the trial to unfold, and then you'll get all the information there.
In court, the Crown laid out the disturbing details of its case, alleging Skibicki targeted Indigenous women outside Winnipeg homeless shelters, taking them to his apartment, sexually assaulting, killing them, continuing to perform sexual acts on their bodies, then throwing their remains in the garbage. This case is about a man's hate-filled and cruel acts perpetrated against 4 vulnerable Indigenous women, said Crown Renee Lajamodier. Court first heard a 911 call from a man who found Contois' partial remains in a garbage bin outside Skibicki's apartment.
Unknown. I don't know how this woman, well, she obviously was murdered. It doesn't appear, right? So,
Court also heard those remains led police to Skibicki, who in a videotaped interrogation played in court, surprised police, admitting to killing Contois and 3 other women. I just wanted to see how far I could take things. The criminal justice system is a joke. I killed 4 people, he said. I really tried not to prolong their suffering. DNA of Contois, Myron, and Harris were found in Skibicki's apartment. Remains of Contois were also found in Winnipeg's Brady landfill. Police say remains of Myron and Harris are in another landfill north of Winnipeg. There have been angry demands from families and Indigenous leaders for more than a year for a search. The federal and provincial governments say they'll fund one after the trial. In the interrogation video, Skibicki told police he brought other women home, but didn't kill them if they logged onto Facebook. He also says he let 1 woman go after noticing she was wearing a rosary.
Through the day, many of the family and friends of the victims were visibly distraught, some choosing not to stay in the courtroom as the case was laid out with the accused present. This trial is expected to run another 4 weeks. Cameron McIntosh, CBC News, Winnipeg.